Now let's review. You can select your answers on the printable activity sheet or simply write them out on a piece of paper that you have handy. Question number 5. Where would you click to write a new email? The Compose button. For Gmail, it's the icon at the bottom right that looks like a red circle with a pencil. For the Mail app on the iPhone, it's the blue icon at the bottom right that looks like a pencil overlapping a square. Question number 6. How would you search for an email that was sent to you? To search for an email, you would click on the search icon that looks like a magnifying glass. Question number 7. How would you reply to an email? Click the arrow pointing to the left beside the sender's name to view reply options. You can also use the reply options towards the bottom of the email. Question number 8. What is the difference between reply and reply all? Using reply means you are only replying to the person who sent the email. Reply all means you are replying to each person who was included on that email.